Here with the Insta360 Gold 2. So check it out here in Arandas, Jalisco, here in Mexico, and that's where we're gonna put it. Let's see how it looks. Cool, because you're walking around. Literally, you just take off the camera, boom, you put it on yourself real quick, and people don't even notice it. When I have it up here in the top, kind of do notice it because it's white, but typically, like also, I can put it right here in my chest, or obviously right there. I like this one right here for my point of view, especially when I'm with in the bike or anything else. This is a cool thing. You can just remove it, start talking, or if you want to record something really quick, take it off and put it back on. Well, that was everything for my quick little run here of my POV shot. Hopefully you liked it, and hopefully this gives you more information regarding this cool little camera. See you next time. Make sure you put like or subscribe or put a comment. See you later. So we're gonna be doing some recording right now with this little adjustment right here, so we can do some POV action with the motorcycle. So this is pretty cool. Let's see. Por apoyarme en el camino. So today we're going to be testing out this cool little attachment from Insta360 Gold 2. Let's see if we can use it on the real world, how good and effective it is. This is the first time I'm actually going to use it, so I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to use it for several tests for video. So here's gonna be the wonderful question: is the Insta360 Go 2 worth it? Worth purchasing? Let's check it out. See what you guys think about it.